The vowel in bear, air. Pronunciation Activation Pack 15. Bear, air. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at the third of the gliding vowels, air. We'll look at the letter combinations that give the air sound. We'll look at lots of words which have the air sound in them. Finally, we'll activate your ability to hear and produce the air sound correctly. Free English material. Are you a Britlisher yet? These lucky people are. They're all enjoying the ton of free English language learning material they got when they became a Britlisher at Britlish.com. Get your free welcome pack today at Britlish.com. Letter combinations for air. This gliding vowel sound has these letter combinations: A-I-R, A-R-E, A, A-R, A-E, and E-A-R, and rarely E-I-R, E-R-E, A-Y-O-R, A-Y-E-R, and E-R. This can be a huge problem for students, as words like ear and bear and R and rare have the same letter combinations but completely different sounds. Practice. I swear a hare is aware of the air in its hair. Practice. It's rare for a dairy to dare to prepare such fair camembert. Practice. Claire, the mare's scary air, had no hair. Practice. The librarian's chair was an heirloom from his parents. Problems for students. The only other vowel sound that can cause confusion with the air sound is the ear sound, and I covered this in Pronunciation Activation Pack 13, the vowel in ear. In this pronunciation activation pack, I'll look at words which have the same letter combinations as give us the air sound, but which have different pronunciations. Pronunciation Activator. In this pronunciation activation pack, I'll look at words which have the same letter combinations as give us the air sound, but which have different pronunciations. I've created some interesting exercises in the pronunciation activator to help you better hear and produce the different vowel sounds. Each time you do the pronunciation activator, you'll be given some random exercises from a large database of exercises. The pronunciation activator is only available at Britlish.com. Dictionary. There's a good chance that some of the words used in this pronunciation activation pack will be new to you. To help you out, I've compiled an extensive dictionary of vocabulary used. The dictionary gives you the meanings of all the words used in this pronunciation activation pack. You can download the dictionary as a PDF document from the resources link at the top left of the pronunciation activation pack. Vocabulary Activator. In addition to the pronunciation activator, I've included a vocabulary activator which will test your knowledge of the 78 words in the dictionary. You'll be given random definitions of words each time you do the vocabulary activator. This will also give you the opportunity to hear how each word is correctly pronounced in British English. Add these words to your active vocabulary and make them your own. The vocabulary activator is only available at Britlish.com. Phonetic Transcription. I've also compiled a phonetic transcript of all the words included in the pronunciation activator. You can read each word in Latin script alongside the British English IPA transcription. With your growing understanding of the British English IPA chart, this will help you to see how different letter combinations can produce different sounds. You can download the phonetic transcriptions as a PDF document from the resources link at the top left of the pronunciation activation pack. Use it in combination with the dictionary if you're uncertain of the meaning of any of the words included in the list. English activation packs are only available at Britlish.com. Become a Britlisher and get free activation packs today. I look forward to welcoming you as a Britlisher at Britlish.com soon. Goodbye for now.